1. Learn to embrace failure. See every failure and rejection as an opportunity to grow. View them as indicators of areas where you need to improve, whether in knowledge or skills. With this mindset, every no you receive prepares you for a monumental yes. The fear of failure stops you from trying, but the truth is, you miss 100% of the chances you don't take. If you never ask for that promotion, you might never get it. If you don't try, you'll never succeed. The real definition of failure is doing nothing. 2. It's never too late to start. Many people miss out on life-changing experiences because they believe it's too late for them. But the truth is, you have time until the very last day of your life. You just need to decide what you want and go after it. It doesn't matter if you're 20, 30, 40, 60 or 80 years old. Your life is yours to shape. Take the example of Gladys Burrell, who started running marathons at 86 and completed the Honolulu Marathon at 92 in under 10 hours. Or Harry Bernstein, who published his first book at 96, proving that success has no age limit. 3. Overnight success is a myth. The media loves to highlight stories of people who suddenly became famous or successful overnight, but these cases are extremely rare. What looks like instant success is actually the result of years of dedication and effort. Success is built over time through consistency and persistence. When someone finally gets recognized, people often overlook the hard work that led them there. 4. Life will always have problems. No matter where you are or how successful you become, challenges will always exist. The key is to choose which problems you want to face. Happiness doesn't come from avoiding difficulties, it comes from overcoming the struggles that are part of what makes life meaningful. The bigger your goal, the bigger the challenges, but that's what makes it all worthwhile. A perfect example is parenting. Raising a child involves sacrifices, sleepless nights, and constant worries, but it also brings deep fulfillment as you watch them grow and thrive. 5. You are responsible for your own life. Not everything that happens to you is your fault, but how you respond to it is within your control. Taking responsibility for your life gives you the power to change it. The first step is to accept the challenges you face. Nothing will improve unless you decide to act. This may seem hard and even painful, but once you start taking action, it becomes easier. 6. You attract what you are. This happens in two ways. If you constantly find yourself in relationships where you're treated poorly, take a moment to reflect on how you treat yourself. People tend to gravitate towards situations that confirm what they already believe about themselves. If you don't believe you're worthy of respect and care, you might unconsciously seek out those who reinforce that idea. On the other hand, if you're surrounded by unsuccessful and unmotivated people, it may be because you're stuck in the same mindset. Success is about habits and mentality. If you want to grow, spend time with successful people and learn from them. 7. Stop worrying about what others think. No one is paying as much attention to you as you think. The insecurities that trouble you are often unnoticed by others. Think about a dance class. While you're worried about looking awkward, everyone else is too focused on their own moves. Once you realize this, you gain the freedom to be yourself and pursue what truly makes you happy without fear of judgment. 8. Relationships require more than just attraction. Your partner will play many roles in your life: friend, confidant, financial partner, emotional support, and even roommate. Before entering a relationship, ask yourself if you and your partner are compatible in these areas. Both of you need to grow together and take responsibility for each other. A successful relationship isn't just about what the other person can offer, but also about what you bring to the table. 9. Not everyone has to like you. If you want to succeed, you need to accept that some people will disagree with you, criticize you, or even dislike you for no reason. Making tough decisions and sacrifices often comes with resistance and judgment. Have you ever worked with someone who was highly dedicated but was disliked because others thought they were arrogant? That's part of the game. The more successful you become, the more criticism you'll face. 10. Take care of your body. Your physical health plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. To pursue your goals, you need to be in good shape. The problem is that the benefits of a healthy lifestyle aren't immediate. They accumulate over time. When you're young, exercising and eating well might seem like a superficial concern. But as you age, you'll realize how much they contribute to your energy, mental clarity, and happiness. Small daily efforts, like walking, jogging, or doing yoga, can make a huge difference in the long run. 11th, motivation follows. Action, not the other way around. Have you ever procrastinated on a task because it seemed like too much work, only to find yourself more engaged once you actually started? That's how life works. First, take a small step, just act. The more time and energy you invest in something,